Hi guys, I'm going to give you a little public service announcement. With the Moto G and the Moto G6 Plus, just watch the chassis as it can crack. There's a hailing crack right in the top corner. I've also scraped some of the chassis down the bottom. There's a bit up near the SIM port, and there's some gouge marks at the side. So just watch, it's quite delicate. So the screen's fine because I've glass screen protector on it, so I just recommend glass screen protector, case, skin, and on to the main video. Hi guys, so if you're using the Apple AirPods, specifically on iOS, you can have a wide range of different commands like get Siri or skip tracks and things, but that's just always on iOS. So on Android it's just for playback only, and you can also pause. But if you program in certain commands on iOS, it will carry over onto Android. So I'll show you how you do that right now. Okay, so go to settings, then you pair your Apple AirPods. It'll take a while off mine as I think the case is probably, and you charge that. Okay, so you go to the little eye, and then you go to the double tap AirPod, and disconnect itself. Okay, really, come on. Right, and yours probably won't do this, but I think it's time to charge my case up. Right, we're back. So you go to the double tap and you can set whatever left and right is, and that'll be you. And that's it to make the AirPods better on Android. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.